welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some tie-dye sets, okay? You heard that right. So I have been seeing these sets everywhere, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Free People, on like all kinds of clothing sites. I have been seeing them everywhere and I think they're so cute. But these people out here want us to spend like a lot of coin, okay? Because those sets go for like 70 to 100 bucks. 100 bucks for some tie-dye sets. But here's the thing, we're gonna make them ourselves and they're gonna be just as cute, okay? If not cuter. And then all these people that are selling them for boatloads of money. So the very first thing I did was went to my computer, went on Amazon, and I searched for some white sweatsuits. I bought sweatpants, I bought biker shorts, t-shirts, a hoodie. But because of all this quarantine stuff, a lot of the pieces that were 100% cotton were not going to be here till May. May, you guys. A girl could not wait till May to make a cute tie-dye set, okay? I needed it now. So a few of the pieces I got weren't 100% cotton, so keep in mind that does affect the end result. Like the dye will look different on 100% cotton than it does polyester or nylon or silk or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. I ordered all my sets. They came in. I unboxed those suckers. I also ordered some squeeze bottles from Amazon. I thought, why not go ahead and get it all together. I should have ordered the dye online also, because when I went to Walmart to get the colors I wanted, I originally wanted like pink and orange, but they didn't have... Oh, it's a huge bug! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is a... Oh no, ma'am! Editing Shania here, and I just wanted to say that I never found that bug. I'm still terrified to go in that room because I don't know where it went. I ran to go get a shoe. When I came back, it was gone. And then, secondly, I show these sets at the very end. This is a little sneak peek. I've been living in this thing. I think it is so cute. But, I show them at the very end. So stay tuned to the end to see the sets. That is all. Well, now that I'm terrified that that bug is going to get me, we're just going to move on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what was I talking about? So after I ordered everything off Amazon, it all came in and I unboxed it, and then now we are today where I decided to tie-dye everything. So I'm really pumped about the like biker shorts set. I think that one is going to be super cute. I did a very neutral dye for that one, and I did sandstone. I got this one at Hobby Lobby before everything had to close, but I'm sure you can find this one online. This is a more neutral color, and I thought it would be super cute. I've actually seen sets in this color. So got that one, and then I also bought these two blues. And like I said, I wish I would have ordered the dye online, because when I went to the store, they didn't have like the coral and the pink that I wanted. And I really wanted like a pink, orange, yellow set, but we just did blue because they didn't have those colors. So if I were you guys and you're going to order stuff to do this with, I would just order it all on Amazon. These are a little more expensive on Amazon, but at least you'd have the colors that you want. Also, you guys need to try to pick like 100% cotton items. I couldn't really find that many on Amazon just because like my sizes were sold out, or they like wouldn't be here till May. So if you can get 100% cotton, the dye will show up better on all cotton. But these RIT dyes do work for different types of fabric like linen, rayon, silk, wool, nylon. So there's a lot of options that you can dye with these, but it just does show up better on cotton. Okay, so once you've got all of your stuff in, or you've got what you want to dye. You're going to also need gloves. You're going to need something to lay down so you can put your garments on it when you're dyeing them. I just got a tablecloth, but if you're doing it outside, you really don't even need that. You can just, you know, use the ground and you'll be fine. But since I was doing it inside, I went ahead and got a tablecloth. You will also need rubber bands. So I was about to start tie-dyeing and I realized that I got colored bands, and it says online that these will bleed and dye your clothes. So we're going to run and get another pack of rubber bands while those are getting wet, and then we need to come back and put our dye in the bottles. So the first step of this whole process is to go and put your clothes in the washer. On the back of the dyes, it recommends that you actually wash the clothes once. I didn't wash them because I was way too pumped to like get it done. So I just put them in the washer on rinse and spin and popped a Tide Pod in there with it. And they smelled really good and they looked like they were washed and they were a little damp. So that's exactly what you want. And then after you wash your clothes, you're going to go to the sink and prepare your dye. So you're going to want to put on your gloves before you start doing all this so that you don't get dye on your hands. And then you're going to fill up your bottle I did mine to about right here, but this part is totally personal preference. This company on their website, you can actually go and they will give you the exact amount of dye you need to put with the exact amount of water to get a certain color. Like it will, there's over 500 options on there of different colors that you can choose from. So if you want an exact color and you want it to be like you want to know what the outcome is going to be, I recommend doing that. You can also just buy the actual tie-dye kits and they will give you like exactly what you need for the color you're wanting. So I did about this much water and then about half of the dye that you would need. For this specific one, I actually used more because this is a lighter color, but for the blues, I did about half of these bottles. So if the more you want, like the darker you want your color, the more dye you're going to want to put in there. Also, make sure you use hot water when you fill these up. You want it to be hot so that it mixes well, and that's just how the directions say to do it. So always make sure you use hot water, fill your dye up, and then you're good to go. That's pretty much it. So after you've mixed your dye, now it's time to tie-dye. And so I brought my clothes in here, put my tarp down, and got to work. And this was a lot of fun. I've never tie-dyed before, but let me tell you, your girl was having some fun, okay? So it seems as though they just pinch it in a million different spots. I have literally never tie-dyed anything in my life. So there's that. Also, I used the scrunch method. There's a lot of different methods that you can use to tie-dye. Like you can swirl up the fabric and get that spiral effect. Whatever you want to do is up to you, you know, but I did the scrunch method. So I just gathered the fabric in different spots and squeezed it and put rubber bands all around it till it was all scrunched up together, and that gives you that really random pattern, and that's what I like, so that's what I did. But up to you on what you do. If you make sure when you start putting your dye all over it to get really in all the cracks and crevices. You don't want like huge white spots or anything. And then once you have completely covered all your fabrics and garments, you're just going to put them in plastic bags and let them sit for 24 hours. I think you can actually do it for 8, but personally, I'm not taking no chances. We're not messing anything up, okay? So I just let it sit until 24 hours was up. So currently, while I'm filming this, they are still sitting. I won't be able to open them and wash them until tomorrow. But once they're done, I'm just going to take them out, rinse them out in the sink, and then wash them one good time in the washer, let them dry, and then you should be good to go. And I'm so pumped. You guys, you don't even know how excited I am. I cannot wait to see how it turns out.
To escape this crazy life, yeah. Let me go this way, today is my day. God is taking place tonight. Let's all dance and make it shine. Let's all dance and make it shine.
This one is by far my absolute favorite.
Let's all dance and make it shine. God is taking place tonight. Let's all dance and make it shine. Let's all dance and make it shine.
Hey babe, come here. What do you think? Do you actually like it, or is it better?
You're gonna wear that now.
I like it. I would actually wear it. You don't like it. Oh, you do. I think it's cute. This one didn't turn out quite how I wanted. I really wanted sweatpants. The sweatpants that I got off Amazon had too much polyester in them, so I went to Walmart and found these cotton leggings. And so I did it with leggings, but I really wish it was sweatpants, but anyway. And so the fabrics are a little off, so it's not quite as cute in my opinion, but it's still cute. Okay, we're gonna ask Thomas what he thinks about this one. Maybe like this one more. Hey Tom, come look at this one.
That one's better.
This one's a better one because it's pants. I wish they were sweatpants, but you know, good
That one's better.
Why? What's the difference?
This looks better. This one looks like I used it for toilet paper.
Well, that was it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for me. It really helps me out a whole bunch. If you want to see more pictures of my tie-dyed sets, please hop on over to my Instagram where I'll be sharing a few of them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Mwah.